Hi everyone, this is Shantavia with the Beauty Pro University, and I would like to personally invite each and every one of you out to the hands-on Machine Made Bootcamp. It is scheduled for November 13th, starting promptly at 9 a.m., and we are going to dive deep into everything that it means to make a machine-made wig. So why take a class with me, Shantavia Williams? Well, because I've been in the industry since 2015. I work in theater presently. I've been working in theater, live production, since 2015. That is where I was able to dive deep and learn a lot of what there is to know and see so many things when it comes to wigs and just the power of wigs and the complexity of wigs, and really begin to appreciate the workmanship, the craftsmanship that goes into wigs. And I want to share that knowledge with you all. Check my resume. We're not just going to keep it at the generic. We're going to create a little luxury, making it specifically for your clients. So we're going to go over your machine and over your tools. We're going to conduct a full, thorough consultation with your client, take their measurements, their molds, transferring those molds and measurements onto your canvas block to ensure that your clients have a secure fit. I'll give you tips and tricks on how to overcome some problems that you may face with making machine-made wigs. We're going to customize our caps for your clients, and we're going to make a completed wig that day. There are a few things that my past clients and students have said. Take a look. The Beauty Pro University is located in Arlington, Texas, 2813 Galleria Drive, and I can't wait to hear from you.